Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEBS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 3 on the topic of chapter 21, the simple past tense. I am repeating, our today's topic is chapter 21, the simple past tense. Students, this is our 9th lecture and 7th SW. I am repeating, this is our 9th lecture and 7th SW. Students, take your new enjoying grammar book. Take your new enjoying grammar book and open page number 72. The simple past tense. Students, with your book, take your notebook and writing elements. First, we'll discuss about the topic and then we'll do some exercise. So, let's begin our class. The simple past tense. First, you have to know what is simple past tense. The simple past tense is used to show actions which happened sometime in the past. It means, is there any incident happened in the earlier time or past time, it is called the simple past tense. Look these examples. They took some honey. He sang a song. Here, took and sang. These verbs indicate the simple past tense. It means these actions are happened in the past. Now we'll learn some rules of simple past tense. For most verbs in the past tense, we add ed or d. For example, look, looked, open, opened, save, saved, believe, believed. Students, look here. In the word look, we added ed, and same for open we added ed. And here save we added d, and for believe we also add d. You can ask me why we didn't add here ed. Look here, the word end with e, so no need to add an extra e, simply add d. And here there is no e at the end of these words, so we add ed. So our rule is, for most verbs in the past tense, we add ed or d. Next, the spelling sometimes changes. For example, wrap, wrapped, pat, patted, try, tried, hurry, hurry. Look here. For wrap, we added ped, and for pat, we added ted. Students, when you'll find a word end with consonant and before this consonant you'll find only one vowel. Mark this, only one vowel, not two vowel or more vowels. If you find only one vowel, then you will double the consonant, the letter consonant, and then you'll add ed. So, wrap will be wrapped and pat will be patted. Here we find at the end consonant T, and before consonant we find only a vowel. So, before consonant we find vowel, and that's why we double the consonant T. We write T-E-D. And look here, try, tried, hurry, hurry. Here look, we find Y at the end of the word. So if you find at the end of the word Y, you have to erase it and you have to add IED instead of Y. Remember the rule, if you find Y at the end of any word, you have to erase it, and instead of Y, you have to add IED to make it past tense. Like this, here we find hurry. This word also ends with the letter Y. So, instead of Y, we add IED. So, hurry is hurried in past form. Next, For some verbs, we use different forms of the verbs in the past tense. Example, bring, brought, fly, flew. Students, here, mind that you have to memorize these words. There is no rules for these words. You have to keep in mind that bring will be brought, fly will be flew. Next, certain verbs do not change. For example, we can say put, cut. Put will be put and cut will be cut in the past tense. These words are same whether it is present tense or past tense. Now students will do some exercise. The question is, write the simple past tense forms of these verbs. Students, here are some given verbs. You have to make them past tense. Now, our first verb is see. So, the past form of see is saw. The spelling is S-A-W, saw. See will be saw. Next, take. Take will be took. T-O-O-K, took. The past form of take will be took. Next, cry. Students, can you say what will be the past form of the word cry? I hope you can guess the past form of these words. Look here, in this rule, the spelling sometimes changes. Here we find the example try and hurry, and these words end with the consonant Y, and instead of Y we write IED for past tense. So like this you have to add IED. So the spelling will be C-R-I-E-D. Cried. Cry will be cried. Because we find Y at the end, and for this we add IED. Now fight. Fight will be fought. The spelling is F-O-U-G-H-T. Fought. Fight, fought. Now stop. Stop will be stopped. Like this one, we find consonant, and before consonant we find only a vowel. And when we find this type of word, we'll double the consonant and we'll add ed. So stop will be stopped. S-T-O-P. The given word is stop, and before consonant we find a vowel, so we have to write another P and then have to add ed. So the word will be stopped. Stop, stopped. Next, happen. Happen will be happen. We have to use ed at the end of the word. So the spelling is H-A-P-P-E-N-E-D. Happen. Simply we add ed at the end of the word. Now look. Look will be looked. Here we find the word look, looked, open, opened. We add ed. So look will be looked. L-O-O-K-E-D. Looked. Look, looked. Now come to next number, fly. The first form of fly is flew. The spelling is F-L-E-W. Flew. Fly, flew. Now put. We know that certain verbs do not change. For example, you can say put, cut. They are always remain same, whether it is present tense or past tense. So we have to write put for past tense. P-U-T, put. Like this we have to write cut for this word. C-U-T, cut. Put and cut are always same in past tense. There is no change. Last, save. Save will be saved. S-A-V-E. This is our given word, and we find At the end E, so we have to add only D. Said, say, said. Students, say with me. See, saw. Take, took. Cry, cried. Fight, fought. Stop, stopped. Happen, happened. Look, looked. Fly, flew. Put, put. Cut, cut. Say, said. Students, now it's time to your homework. Your homework will be the given exercise. It means from say to save. All this will be your homework. I'm repeating, your homework will be this given exercise. And don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number. Our lecture number is 9 and homework number is 7. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. You need to be serious about your SW copies because you will get your city, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and collect your previous copies on next Sunday. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.